gonna make the milkshake. So you're going to need your measuring cup again and your tacky glue. But for this one, you won't be needing any paint. You're going to put your glue inside your little milk bottle. The glue inside the bottle, you might want to roll it around a bit to get it all over the bottle. And then after you've done that, you're going to put it on your spill. You should tilt it so that it comes out easier. So now you're going to put your cap on the tacky glue. This is our second spill, and I decided to add something to elevate it so that it could stick better.